Today, we're going to install some components on my sister's 2020 Chevy Blazer. Before we get started on that, I do want to say that I know the videos have not been coming very quickly lately. I actually planned on having another one posted before Christmas, but I came down with COVID, and by circumstance, being in close proximity, my entire immediate family also came down with COVID. So we had to deal with that prior to Christmas, and then the holiday itself came up, and there was just a lot of stuff going on prior to the actual holiday that kept me from getting the other Nova video done that I wanted to do and getting it posted and uploaded. This one is not going to be a very long video. The components that I'm going to be installing are very simple to install in my sister's Blazer, but I did want to get something posted for you. So thought since she got these for Christmas, I'd do this little video and get it uploaded for you. So let's get started. This is a cargo area in a 2020 Chevy Blazer. You've got the little floor component here with the spare tire under it. So the first thing we're going to do is just put a floor mat down to protect this carpet. Just make the whole area easier to clean when my sister is hauling anything in the back of her Blazer. So we've got this one right here. As you can see, it's from WeatherTech. Just really simple. Just slide it in. Goes all the way back up against the seats. It's got these parts that curve around the wheel well. Like all WeatherTech liners, it has the edges that go up to help keep any kind of dirt and mud on the rubber mat, so you can just pull it out and clean it off. That's our first little component. As I said, this was going to be a fairly simple and short video. So let's move on to part number 2. This is item number 2. It's a little shade to cover up anything that is being stored back here while the vehicle's locked and in a public area, just to help keep prying eyes from sneaking peeks and seeing what might be in the back of her vehicle. It's really simple to install. It's got these pieces on the edge. They just slide in like this. They're going to go in those little slots right up there. So we'll do the first one. Doesn't really have to be pushed in for the first one. It's just going to kind of stick in there. Then we come to this side, we'll get this pushed in, so we can slide it back up into this slot here. Let it snap out into place. And that's all it takes. This is the official General Motors shade for the Blazer. I don't know if they make any third-party options for this component, but this is one that we saw and we knew that it would work because it's made by General Motors, so we knew it would clip in where it needed to. So now we can just pull it out, pull it into these little slots here, and now a little cover for anything that might be hiding in the cargo area. Like I said, again, very short video. Those were really easy to install. Just lay the mat on the floor, slide the cover in place, and you're done. But for now, thank you for watching this video. I look forward to getting more videos done now that the holiday's over and I am over COVID. So keep an eye on the channel. Make sure you subscribe so you know when new videos are uploaded. Give this video a like if you have a Blazer and you're looking at getting something to put in the cargo area. Or if you know someone that has one, you've been looking for some ideas to get for their vehicle. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.